Hi, thanks so much for joining me today. My name is Rhiannon and I'm one of the founders of BBQ Spit Rotisseries. Today, I'm going to answer one of the most common questions we get asked by our customers, which is, how do I light charcoal using some firelighters? Now, the first thing you need to do is get yourself some good quality lump charcoal, pop it in the base of your spit and arrange it in a pyramid. Once we have our charcoal in our pyramid, get yourself some natural firelighters and position them in the charcoal. I like to use 3 of them. Now our firelighters are in position, it's time to light them. So when using just firelighters to get your charcoal started, you're looking at about 45 minutes before you're ready to cook. Now there are a couple of other ways which are a bit quicker, and we do have other videos on that. If you'd like to hear more hints and tips from us, please remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a big thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.